Here's a slight worry that I've got at the moment. I'm shooting a very nice ground floor property with on a lovely sunny day. I got some great blue skies there, and it's fine. It's good. I've been let in, and there's a tenant obviously living here. But I don't want to touch any of their stuff during this crisis kind of area. So in here, normally I would come in and I would turn on the light switches. I would check that door closes. I would take their clothes and move it out of the shot. I would move some of their things there. I would take their clothes off the back of the drawer. In the bathroom, I would give this a bit of a tidy in here. But, or simple one, kitchen. Looks absolutely fine. I'm not touching that. I'm not touching that or that. Their glasses, their paperwork. Again, I've got 2 kids, one at nursery, one at school. I've got people on my street who are in self-isolation at the moment. Yeah, the owners let me in. Turning on light switch. I'm not going to move any of these boxes. It just has to be done now with completely empty properties, no tenants in, where I'm not moving anybody's personal belongings, things, because they're saying like the coronavirus can stay on. Like I could be completely asymptomatic, could be a carrier but not a sufferer, and I could be touching anything. I did cover myself in alcohol before I came here, like a true Scot. But yeah, not comfortable in touching anybody's things. Even things which, you know, you just move to the side. Nope, it's getting shot exactly as it is just now, and we'll just have to get shots whenever the tenants move out and it's been emptied. So yeah, get a floor plan, get an external, get some internals, and it looks like there's a bit of a garden as well. So yeah, the company's not going to get the images that they want of the inside at the moment, but it's images which at least I can leave here knowing that I haven't potentially endangered anybody's life. That's what we're at just now. However, there are some bits which are going to be difficult. This is a sliding door. Oh, no, that was easy enough. Opening doors. Fine, I can do that. Elbows are becoming very handy just now.